Hi, we are going to discuss about the impact of loss of confidentiality, integrity, or availability. It is this confidentiality, integrity, and availability are the important building blocks of security. In case of a loss of this CIA, then what impact will be there? The impact can be classified in three levels: low level, moderate level, or high level. That depends upon the application. In some cases it may have a limited effect, in some cases it may have serious effect, and in some other cases it may lead to the severe effect for the loss of this security concepts. In case of first, let us take the loss of confidentiality impacts. If in a website, normally in a website the faculty information may be there. The display of that faculty information will not cause much effect, so that impact of that in loss of confidentiality will be the low level, that is a limited effect. The next case is the student enrollment information. Here, in the enrollment information, we may have the student personal information also. If that student information, every student information is displayed on the web page, it may cause a serious effect. We can contact them through by getting that information displayed on the website. They may make some disturbances like that, so it may cause a serious effect. So the next one is a student grade information. So the result should be announced only to the particular individual, not to everyone. So if the mark is displayed publicly on the notice board, what happens? The student may feel ashamed. uh, so that can make a severe effect. So this affects in a high level. So these are the impacts of a confidentiality. We have to identify to which data the more confidentiality should be given, which will have the less impact, which can be displayed publicly to everyone. That we have to decide before comes into the use. The next security concept is integrity. In case of a integrity loss, what will happen? What impact may be generated because of the loss of the integrity? Let us take an example: anonymous online poll. This integrity, first of all, integrity is change of that information during the transmission without the knowledge of the sender. If an intruder changes into that in data during the transmission, that is a loss of integrity. Let us consider an anonymous poll. In anonymous online poll, I have given one poll, but if that is changed by some other person, it will not affect much, because it is an online poll. So it will have a less effect, it is not a problem. It will create a less problem. Then the next one is website forum. So in a website forum, a group of registered persons may discuss on some topic. Even if that my I will share my ideas in that forum. If it is changed by someone and displayed, means it may cause some serious effects. So that is a moderate level of impact in case of loss of integrity. And the next one is a important thing, is a important impact which causes a serious effect, more serious effect in life, is a patient allergic information. If suppose that report is changed, the doctor will treat according to that report only. If that allergic information is changed, that causes a more serious effect. So more high level of confidentiality should be given to such data. So if suppose it is changed, it may cause to death of a person. So these are the impacts of the loss of integrity. We have to identify the level of impact, and then the more precaution should be given to those data. And the next security concept is a loss of availability. Availability is making, if the authorized person is able to get the service, that is availability. If the authorized person is not able to get that services, if suppose authorized person is denied by accessing those resources, it is called as the loss of availability. For example, let us consider this low level impact. First of all, in an online telephone directory, if suppose if it is lost, we can get that telephone number from some other person. It will not create much impact. Nowadays we people are not referring to the telephone directory, but in olden days we used to refer to that. But even in nowadays we don't use, even if we don't have the online, if we miss that telephone directory, we can get that number from some other sources. We can get from the other person, or from the other operators, somehow. So it will have very less effect. If suppose here the concept is availability, loss of availability. If suppose it is lost, it will not create much effect. We can collect in some other way. And the next thing is, next another example. Suppose normally we will, while maintaining the student information, we maintain the some other detail also, and donor groups. Suddenly we want to know how many students are donors, and if that information we are not able to access, means we get irritated. But it will not cause a much critical effect in the university information system. It is not a more critical information. This donor detail, the student who are all donor, that information is not a critical component. So it will, the simple thing is we will get some embarrassment because of the unavailability of data at the right time. That's all. And the next data is authentication services. So authentication services is verifying the right users without using. If suppose for the authentication services we are not authorized, that is authorized users are not able to access that authentication information. For example, admin will have the authentication services. Admin will have to verify the right person. If he is not able to access, if he is not able to access that verification at right time, the services will not be provided. If admin is not able to access that data, that server, that will create a higher impact. So these are all the impacts of the loss of the security services, that is confidentiality, integrity and availability. Thank you.